Meet Jane, a regional manager for a national grocery chain. Jane spends her workdays thinking about profitability, staffing, HR, and keeping product on the shelves. One day, a floor scrubber at one of Jane's stores breaks down. Now, Jane is worrying about the broken machine, the risk of injury to employees and customers, and even potential store closure. Jane isn't alone. These problems happen every day across the US, but we're here to help. In Jane's case, since she is responsible for multiple locations across the US, she relies on USA Clean and our 500-plus service technicians across the nation to keep her fleet up and running. We can dispatch technicians from our nationwide service network to get your equipment back up and running. And you can schedule regular maintenance to prevent future downtime, all at your convenience. Through our partnership with Armor Technologies, you can monitor your fleet's utilization and downtime. And when your machine is beyond simple repair and the cost is greater than its value, we can recycle your machine, provide options for new and used equipment, or recondition to recapitalize your machines. With our help, Jane can get her machine working again and get back to thinking about her normal tasks.